some dividing cells exit the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage, which is called quiescent stage, that is G0. And you have to identify this process occurs at the end of which phase. Now, the process where some dividing cells exit the cell cycle and enter a vegetative inactive stage, that is G0, occurs at the end of M phase and the beginning of the G1 phase. Now, during the quiescent stage, cells remain metabolically active but do not proliferate unless the organism requires it. And this stage is reversible. That is, it allows the cell to maintain a basal metabolic rate as well as transcriptional activity, and it can enter the cell cycle whenever it is required to. For example, the budding yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae enters this G0 when it runs out of essential nutrients, and it enters the cell cycle upon getting the favorable condition. Hence, the correct answer is option C, that is, this process occurs at the end of M phase and beginning of G1 phase.